Hi. Welcome to Kexxel Group's Virtual Instructor-led training course. This video will explain to you how to navigate through our virtual meeting. Press the microphone button to mute and unmute your mic. To change your audio option, click on the arrow next to mic button. Click the video button to start and stop your video. Got a question? Option 1, you can unmute your mic and speak directly. Option 2, use the chat function. Option 3, click on the three dots to open the Q&A function. Option 4, use the raise hand function. 2 ways to join breakout sessions. 1, click join now when the notification appears. 2, click on participants and select your breakout room. To share your screen, click on share and select screen 1. Or, select application on the right. For file sharing, select the File tab. To annotate, hover over the top right corner of the presentation window and click on this icon. Request for approval, and then you will be able to annotate on the screen. Thank you, have a great session.